Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and I'm passionate about helping you lead your best and most productive life. Today we'll be talking about how I structure my week in order to hit all of my healthy goals for 2021. So this is what mine looks like right now. This is just the very first draft that I've done, but I have a list of all of the items that I want to get done listed out here, as well as the number of hours that I think it will take. And then I go and fill in a view like this, which is essentially like a weekly view, where I break up how many hours I will dedicate to what in that week. Once that is done, I go and I calendar block it, which we will go through that together as well, but let's go ahead and create one of these together first. things that I'm working on. The very first one is probably similar to what you are working on, and that is my fitness goal. Towards the end of 2020, I had gotten into the habit of working out about 2.5 times a week on average, and I'm really working on bumping that up to hopefully 3 to 4 times a week. Right now I'm planning 3 times a week, so 3 one-hour sessions throughout my week, and maybe towards the end of the year I'll start to bump that up a little bit, going to 3.5 times a week and then 4. The workout that I'm mostly focusing on right now is yoga, mostly because it's a really good time for me to turn everything off, unplug for a little bit, and work on my kind of state of mind. So it's a really peaceful time for me to kind of get away from all the stresses and just focus a little bit on me, my breathing, and how I'm feeling that day. The next thing that I'm working on is cleaning. So that kind of goes hand in hand with yoga in terms of my mental sanity. I was leaving all of my cleaning towards the end of the week. So come Saturday or Sunday, I had giant piles of laundry that I had to do. My bathroom was a mess. Clothes were kind of everywhere. Nothing was cleaned. And I kept pushing it off towards the weekend thinking that I would be able to get to it. But then of course, come weekend, all I really wanted to do was get out of the house. And so I was leaving the house and then coming back to find it still a total disaster, which wasn't good. It was just weighing on my mind. So what I've started doing is implementing a cleaning routine throughout my week so that I have a constant habit of continuing to pick up after myself, and I have designated areas that I'm targeting. Nothing really ever piles up anymore, which has been really great. The next thing is YouTube, obviously. I am working towards putting out a video every single week, and that means that I have to plan my idea, write my script, actually do the filming, edit, and then publish all in a week, every single week. And that can get to be a lot because editing and shooting a video can take anywhere from 5 to like 12 hours, depending on how much editing you're doing, depending on whether you need to go get additional B-roll footage. And so I'm trying to kind of stay on top of that throughout the week so that I never feel pressured the day before an upload is due to get it all done in one day.